Today I'll be explaining the hydraulic circuit of a counterbalance pressure control valve. These valves fall under normally closed valves category and are primarily used to maintain a back pressure on vertical cylinder to prevent it from falling due to gravity. They are used to prevent a load from accelerating uncontrollably. This situation usually occurs in vertical cylinders in which load is the weight. This can damage the load uneven cylinder due to impact caused when the load is stopped quickly at the end of the travel. Now coming to the hydraulic circuit, the components used in the circuit are as follows. We have a tank, which is the source of the fluid, which is connected to a pump which is used to maintain the flow. The pump is connected to a 3x2 normally closed direction control valve with a start and stop mechanism along with a spring return mechanism. We have a pressure relief valve attached to in the circuit. The pressure relief valve is used to limit the maximum pressure, and we also have a pressure gauge. We have three pressure gauge used for indicating the working pressure. As we have taken a double acting cylinder, the we chose a 4x3 normally closed direction control valve with the start and stop mechanism along with the spring return type mechanism. Now one port of the 4x3 DCV is connected to the flow meter, which indicates the flow, and the other port is indirectly connected to the rod end of the double acting cylinder. Now the main component is the counterbalance valve. The one end of the counterbalance valve is connected to the rod end and the other connected to the 4x3 normally closed valve. Now operating the circuit, as the flow passes through the pump, we change the 3x2 DCV to open position, and the pressure gets increased. Now the pressure is directed to the pressure relief valve. Now when we change the position of the 4x3 DCV and extension of the cylinder takes place, and then again changing its position for retraction of the retraction of the cylinder. In the extension of the cylinder, the flow cannot pass through the check valve, and so passes through the counterbalance valve to the 4x3 DCV, and in retraction the flow passes through the check valve instead of the counterbalance valve.